Here we will see conditional statements in PHP. PHP allows programmer to evaluate different conditions during a program and take decisions based on whether these conditions evaluate to true or false. These conditions and the actions associated with them are expressed by means of a programming construct called conditional statement. PHP supports different types of conditional statements. First is if statement. In if statement, output will appear when only condition is true. Second is if-else statement. This statement allows you to display output in both the conditions. That is, if condition is true, display some message, otherwise display other message. If-else statement allows you to chain together multiple if statements, thus allowing the programmer to define actions for more than just two possible outcomes. And switch statement is similar to a series of if statements on the same expression. First we'll see if statement. The if statement is the simplest conditional statement. Here output will appear only when condition is true. The general syntax for if statement is if, condition and then execute statement. That is, if this condition is true, it will execute the statements following it. Example for explaining if statement is if $a greater than 20, echo a is greater than 20. That is, if a is greater than 20's condition is true, then it will print a is greater than 20. Next is if-else statement. If you want to execute some code if a condition is true and another code if condition is false, use the if-else statement. General syntax is if condition and then code to be executed if the condition is true, else code to be executed if condition is false. Example for explaining if-else statement is if $a greater than 20, echo a is greater than 20, else echo a is less than 20. That is, if value of a is greater than 20, it will print a is greater than 20, else it will print a is less than 20. Next is else if statement. If you want to execute some code, if one of the several conditions is true, use the else if statement. General syntax is if condition, then code to be executed if condition is true, then else if another condition and then code to be executed if condition is true, and else code to be executed if condition is false. Example is if $a greater than 20, echo a is greater than 20, else if $a is less than 20, echo a is less than 20, else print echo a is equal to 20. That is, if it will check first value of $a is greater than 20, if this condition is true, it will print a is greater than 20, else it will check whether a is less than 20. If this condition is true, it will print a is less than 20, else it will print a is equal to 20. Then switch statement. Switch statement provide a clear syntax for a series of comparisons in which a value or expression is compared to many possible matches and code blocks are executed based on the matching case. In PHP, once a matched case is encountered, the code blocks of all subsequent cases will be executed until a return, break or the end of statement is reached. The switch statement is used to avoid long blocks of if-else code. General syntax is switch, and then case statements. Here it will check case label 1, that is if n value is equal to label 1, it will execute the code if n equal to label 1. In second case, it will check n is equal to label 2, it will execute this code. After executing, use break statement. The example for explaining switch statement is, here I have defined $day equal to 1, and in switch statement I will check the value of day. That is, if $day equal to 1, it will print echo 1. If it is equal to 2, it will print echo 2. Here day value is 1, so it will print echo 1.